Hey everyone, if you're preparing for Salesforce interviews, this is one of the most commonly asked questions. What is the difference between a role hierarchy and sharing rules? The question is very simple, but a lot of people fumble while answering this simple question. Like, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it clearly, but also be able to answer it confidently in the interviews. Let's start with the basics. So, role hierarchy is all about organizational structure. It gives access automatically from top to bottom. For example, think of it like a company. A manager can see the records of their team members automatically. Sharing rules, on the other hand, are used when you want to give access outside the hierarchy. For example, if the marketing team needs access to the sales data, role hierarchy won't help. So we need sharing rules. Now let's understand the core difference between the two. This is what interviewers expect you to say in that answer as an answer. So role hierarchy is automatic access. Sharing rules is manual access. It is configured explicitly. Role hierarchy is like top to bottom only, whereas sharing rule is flexible, any direction. Role hierarchy is based on roles, whereas sharing rules are based on owners and criteria. So let's try to understand with an example. This is how you should explain in the interviews actually. Sales team and marketing team are in different roles, right? Sales manager can see sales executive records automatically. Marketing team cannot see sales data by default, right? So what do? We create a sharing rule to share sales records with marketing, right? So there are two different type of sharing rules, as you know. Owner based on who owns the record, and criteria based on conditions. Like for example, if amount is greater than 100,000, then assign it to some group of people. Another important point which you need to remember is sharing rules can only extend the access. It cannot restrict the access. And always remember, first set the OWD, organization wide defaults, then the role hierarchy and sharing rules. So if the interviewer asks you to give a short answer, you can say role hierarchy provides automatic access based on organizational structure, while sharing rules are used to extend access to users outside the hierarchy based on either ownership or criteria. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Salesforce interview questions. And let me know in the comments on which particular topics you want more videos, right? Any specific interview questions if you're struggling with, please let me know in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to help you out. I wish you all the very best for your interviews.